children. I am Anjali Singh and today we are going to discuss further topics. Our first topic is resistor in series. We will connect the resistor. Yesterday I took color code resistor. Before that some topics also, means temperature dependence on resistivity and some more topics. Please revise it at your home. And yesterday I had given some numericals also as a homework. Please do it and send your homeworks in the WhatsApp group. Okay, please everyone, because I think you are not practicing it. So please practice it. Now today our first topic is resistor in series. Resistor in series. I think you studied this topic in class 10th, but in this year you will know how we get the resistor or how we will do the derivations when the resistors are connected in series. Okay children? So first, for that I am going to make a circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram is this is the resistor, okay? R1, R2, R3, okay? Here the current is passing. And now I am going to connect a potential difference. Either you write it E or you write it V. I am going to take V because always we are taking potential difference and the symbol of potential difference is V. See, in series circuit, whatsoever theory is there that I am saying, but whenever you are making notes, please write the theory. Okay, जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वही theory है, तो तुम उसको notes में लिखोगे. So in a circuit diagram, when a current I is flowing in a circuit, okay, so here we connected 3 resistors. You can connect 2 resistors or more than 3 resistors. So I connected 3 resistors in this and I applied a potential difference so that the current can flow through all the resistors. So the first important topic, that is in the series circuit. In the series circuit, the current is always same. If I am going to say the definition of resistor in series, means in the circuit diagram where the current is flowing in equal amount, when the current is flowing in equal amount in all the resistors, okay, through a varying potential difference. Means the current is same, but the potential difference going to be varying across all the resistors. Clear student? Okay, so the current is same in series circuit, but the potential difference is different along all the resistors. So here V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, how much potential difference? Means across this V1, across this V2, across this V3. Okay, so you know V1 is equals to IR1. Okay, IR1. V2 is equals to IR2. V3 is equals to IR3. Clear students? Now I am going to write the values. V is equals to, in place of V1 I write IR1. In place of V2 I write IR2. And in place of V3 I write IR3. This is the potential difference across series resistor. Potential difference across series resistor. So this is your first equation. Dear children, this is your first equation. Now Vs is equals to IRs, means total voltage supplied across this circuit is equal to the resistance in a whole series circuit. This is your second equation. I will write the value of Vs. Vs की जगह मैं ये वैल्यू लिख दूँ, तो मैंने पुट कर दी वैल्यू. Okay, put 2 in 1. Okay children. Now in place of Vs I write IRs is equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. I This is clear to you. This I and this I, if I'll take the common, this will got cancelled out. Okay. So I am not taking common and simply I will cancel out. So the last expression of yours is R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is your resistance across series resistor. Clear everyone? Clear? Now, I am going to move forward towards the parallel resistor in parallel. Resistor in parallel. The connection is in parallel. Why I am not rubbing it? Because after that I am going to compare it. Okay. So in this, how I am going to make the diagram? Can I make the diagram here because the whole derivation will take this place. This. Children, here current I is flowing. It is divided in 3 parts. I1, this is your I2, this is your I3. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Diagram completed, children? No, because I have to connect it with the potential. This is your potential difference. The basic difference between series and parallel, it is clear to you maybe. The basic difference is, here the current is same. Here the current is same, but the potential difference is different. Here the potential difference is same. In parallel, potential difference is same, but the current is different. You can see, different amount of current is flowing in a different resistor. So, here I am going to make, now it is here I1 is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. You know I1 is equals to V by R1, I2 is equals to V by R2, I3 is equals to V by R3. Okay, I am going to put the formula. This is I is equals to, yes, V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Okay, children? Now, this is your first equation. Now, your second equation, that I is equals to total amount of I. Total amount of I, you can write IT also. Because this is total amount of current. Total amount of current is equal to V by R. This is your second. I is equals to V by resistance in parallel. Okay. So again put equation 2 in 1. Clear, student? Now after putting it, V by RP is equals to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. You know, after taking common, this got cancelled out and I am writing direct values. That is 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is your resistor connected in parallel. Resistor connected in series, resistor connected in parallel. This whole derivation, please do it. And at least you are in class 12. Student, please, I am requesting to you. You are in class 12 and it is, and तुम लोग को कम से कम ये सीरीज डायग्राम या सीरीज सर्किट बनाने आना चाहिए. And please do the numericals at your home because you are not doing it. So please, otherwise it is not beneficial. I am going all the topics and you are not revising at your home. Okay, so this is your series circuit, this is your parallel circuit. Now, the third topic is internal resistance of the cell. Internal resistance. Okay, for taking the internal resistance, student, I have to rub, please make it down. I have to rub this. So, internal resistance, you know, resistance is offered by the device resistor. Okay, and there are actually two types of resistances. One is internal resistance, another is external resistance. Internal resistance is actually caused by the cell. You know, in cell there are number of electrons, means free electron, valence electron, which is moving or settled in the cell. Because of these cells, it is actually happening in case of electrolyte. Chemistry में पढ़ा है electrolyte. So in case of electrolyte, these cells are active and they started moving. They started moving means in a device only. In this year you are going to do the practical of potentiometer and meter gauge. So in case of potentiometer you have to find internal resistance of the cell. वो तब की तब देखेंगे, लेकिन तब तुम्हें प्रैक्टिकल प्रूफ मिलेगा, अभी थ्योरेटिकल प्रूफ मिल रहा है. ठीक है, सेल के अंदर क्या है तुम्हारा इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस है. तो वो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस किसकी वजह से है? बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल विच इज यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. बात समझ में आई? एक्चुअली दिस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस इज शोन बाय स्मॉल r and this external resistance जिसकी हम अभी तक बात कर रहे थे, that will be shown by capital R. Clear class? So this internal resistance is offered by the electrolyte in a cell. Okay student? Actually when we freshly prepare a cell, ठीक है, हमने कोई सेल अभी बनाया है, फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर है, तो वहां पर उसका इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? डिक्रीज्ड होगा. ठीक है, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? डिक्रीज होगा. लेकिन जैसे जैसे टाइम इंक्रीज होते जाएगा हम उसमें करंट सप्लाई करेंगे या और भी एक्टिविटी करेंगे या पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इंक्रीज करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? दिस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज. दैट इज व्हाई दैट टाइम वी आर गेटिंग द लेस अमाउंट ऑफ करंट. तभी प्रैक्टिकल में एरर्स आते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए हम प्रैक्टिकल्स में क्या करते हैं? फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर सेल यूज करते हैं, फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट यूज करते हैं. सॉरी, freshly prepared electrolyte. Now this is your internal resistance. This much only small definition is there. Now terminal potential difference. Another topic is terminal potential difference. Potential difference को PD लिखेंगे. ठीक है, terminal potential difference. What is terminal potential difference? Actually this potential difference is also happened in two cases. The first case is potential difference occur when the cells are not connected. When the cells are not connected to the battery, means the condition when it is a open circuit. You know open or closed circuit 10th में पढ़ा है. Open circuit means current is not flowing. ठीक है, this is the circuit. This is the condition of open circuit when the current is not flowing. This is the condition of closed circuit when the current is flowing. So this potential difference occur when current is not flowing. Okay, this is the potential difference occur when current not flowing. This is the potential difference occur when the current not flowing or in an open circuit. दिमाग में बात आ रही होगी क्या? तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तभी पड़ा था जब क्लोज सर्किट में करंट फ्लो हो रहा है. नहीं, जब हम करंट को फ्लो करते हैं, इसके बाद जब हम स्विच ऑफ करते हैं, कुछ देर तक क्या होता है? एक्चुअली कुछ देर तक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन रहता है. ठीक है, आफ्टर अ टाइम दिस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस गॉट ड्रॉप, मतलब कि एंड हो जाता है. लेकिन सर्किट को ऑफ करने के बाद जो थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफरेंस बचा रहता है उसमें, वो कैसा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है बच्चों? टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. मतलब कि तब करंट तुम्हारा फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? दिस फोर टॉपिक्स: resistor in series, resistor in parallel, internal resistance which is very small, and this is the terminal potential difference. Okay, can I take numerical also? One numerical related. I will only give you a hint because this is very easy. Numerical number, please students see, I am not going to write all the numerical because it will take time. Numerical number 2.04, NCERT textual numerical, last textual numerical, okay, which is last of the chapter. So the question is 3 resistors. 3 resistor 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm are combined in parallel. 3 है, कौन से है? 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm. I don't know I am writing correct values or not. 2, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 4. This is 5. These are connected in parallel. You know how we are connecting in parallel. Okay, so find the value. Okay, total resistance कितना होगा? बहुत easy है. 1 by R करके 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4. ठीक है? लेकिन ध्यान से सुनना, तुम्हारी जो RP की वैल्यू आएगी वो जस्ट ऑपोजिट आएगी इससे. जितना भी इसको सॉल्व करोगे, मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा, जितना भी इसको सॉल्व करोगे, सपोज तुम्हारा आंसर आ रहा है, इट मे बी रॉन्ग ऑल्सो, ठीक है, सपोज तुम्हारा आंसर आ रहा है 11/20, तो तुम्हारी ठीक है, तुम्हारा आंसर कितना आ रहा है 11/20, तो ये 1/RP आ रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स आर जनरली मेकिंग मिस्टेक, ये तुम्हारा बता रहा है बच्चों 1/RP, RP कितना आएगा 20/11. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? वैसे तुम लोगों ने 10 में किया इसको, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ RP. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 20 volt and negligible internal resistance. negligible ये वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस वहां पर कितना है, नेग्लिजिबल है, मतलब कि R की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 0, स्मॉल r की. सो डिटरमाइन द करंट. अब बोलता है करंट हर रेजिस्टर के अराउंड है. करंट मुझे कैसा निकालना है, वैसे भी पैरेलल में करंट हर के अराउंड होता है, यू नो, एवरी करंट इज फ्लोइंग along every resistor. तो वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? I1 is equals to, I1 is equals to V by R. वैल्यू ऑफ V कितनी गिवन होगी यहाँ पे? The value of V is given 20. The value of V is given 20. R1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? वैसे ही V by R2, वैसे ही V by R. Please, this is your first part. This is your second part. Now the question is got over. This is all for today's video. Do this numerical and please practice it well at your home. Okay. Thank you.